Hello, Vivian.
Hi, Vivian.
How are you?
Bye.
How long have you been outside painting?
Since 1 o'clock.
Nice. Want to show us what you're doing?
Sure.
Let's see if I can get that.
This is going to be the black railing and all
Yep.
the little circles.
Oh, yeah. And this is I'm going to give him the view out back here, too. Nice. I don't see you outside painting much, do you?
This is my first time.
This is your first time?
Yeah, Catherine got me out.
That's good. That's
Yeah.
what she's here for.
Yeah. It's been very humid and
Well, the weather hasn't been great.
it's very hard to find a place to paint.
Yeah.
What I like is in somebody's backyard.
Well, you are in a backyard. This
Yeah.
is your backyard.
Yeah, my own backyard. You betcha.
Thanks.